Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I am back with a online haul, a Destash haul. And yes, it's from Luisa. So let me get into this and see what we got. And it's been raining here, so my box is a little damp, or not damp, but recovering from the elements. But this is what we got. So this was probably well, actually she said it was from her fabric TN making supplies. So this is what we got. We got some of that lovely, what is this called? Binky. I call it a binky fabric. It's a nice little size. And then we've got some cupcake fabric. And I believe these are like from Walmart. But they're very cute. Look at these fruity cupcakes. Very nice. I think this is also maybe from, it's a fat quarter, but it's DC fabric, old comic book type fabric. And here's more. This is DC, this is Marvel. Very cool. I like that. And here's some arrows and stuff. Good size. I think this is another fat quarter. Very cute. So thank you, Luisa. This is very good fabric. You can make some little things with it, like embellishments and stuff. And oh my god, so this is what really made me want to get it. This is her Project Life cards that she destashed. Oh, I love these bags. So anyway, there's some in here. I think she said it was Maggie Holmes, but let's see. I'm gonna have to go real quick on this because it's a box full of yumminess. Look at these cards, are perfect for Easter right now. And they're double-sided, guys, so you know, they're Project Life cards, and you guys probably already seen these collections. These are cute with the little stars on there. A telephone. Very nice. There's a whole bunch of it. Love that. I have an idea. I need to start making a little bit of money from my projects, so I might be having putting together some kits. Look at those. I love that. With the tickets. Very nice. Thank you, Luisa. And then she has just this little sticky calendar. These are the tabs from Target Dollar Spot. She didn't even open it. But I guess they're just the months. The months of the year, 2020. Very nice. Thank you. And then a little bit of a sticky notes here. That's cool. I'm not seeing a plain green one. And then some more of the Project Life cards. The bigger ones. These are the 4x6. Oh, these are pretty. Oh, these are the Maggie Holmes. Oh, yes. Bingo. Maggie Holmes, baby. Yes. I will use these well. Oh, my goodness. Love that. Look at that. Oh, yes. Thank you, Luisa. Thank you so much. Alright, there's a whole bunch in here, guys. So we got a stash of pretty cute paper clips. We got white ones. I've never had white ones. Got white, pink with the hearts. And then there's a few in here from Dollar Tree and the black ones. Very handy. Very nice. Thank you so much. And then we have a bunch of charms. Yes! Thank you. Look at this little scooter. And the popsicle. And the cacti. Cactus. And I love the words OMG. Oh my goodness. So cute. Oh wow. I'm sorry. I just have to do this right now. I just have to pour it out. We've even got some tassels in here. Look at these. Yes. Thank you. We got little mouse, little girl ballerinas. Oh, those are so cute. I know what I'm going to do with those. Yes, I am. This says Girls Rule. Cute little tassel. There's the little speeder. That is so cute. Okay, so here's one that was an open pack. Should probably use one of them or two of them. And look at that. That little belt. It's a belt thing. And here's a donut. Look at that. Cotton candy. That would have been so cute with my swap that I just had. Oh. So now you have the circle. You have some hearts. There's a white tassel. There's the unicorn. Oh, I guess she just opened this one and didn't use it, but that's cool with me. More cactus. This is so cool. Oh yeah, that was a whole set. She just didn't use it. Yeah, thank you, Luisa. I love it, girl. There's a little tiny heart, and then you got some fancy girl shoes. Girls Rule, pretty flower, and then all my words. That is so cool. I really appreciate that, Luisa. Thank you so much. So, we still got a long ways to go. Let's put this to the side. Okay. We have some of her pens that she was using for her planners and stuff. Oh, I love that color. The purple is so pretty. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That's going right up there. Cute. And then there's the elastic cords that she used to use. She uses thicker ones now. Very nice. Here's some more. It's the black. Very nice. Thank you. And here are some. What is this? What is this? Planner stickers. Yes. Oh, so cute. Love it. Love these. These girls are cute. Thank you. I think these are Hobby Lobby. Planner Queen Recollections. No, Michael's. Is that Michael's Recollections? This one's Let's Do This. Yes, workout. It's so cute. Thank you. Very nice. Thank you very much. And here's some cording. Ooh, nice. Ooh, very, very nice. I like these colors. And for the beads that we just bought, I can make some dangles with these. These are very nice. Thank you so much, Luisa. Oh my gosh, speaking of paper clips, look at these. And they're already in containers. Oh, these have some metallics in there. Oh, look at that purple. I'm a purple girl. So yes, thank you very much. Woohoo! I love it. And then one big mamma jamma of cording. Oh my god, this thing is heavy. This is super heavy. Wow. That is so cool. Thank you. Thank you, Luisa. Woohoo! Love it. Great price too. This was 20 bucks, I think it was. Very good purchase. Oh, this is the elastic. Nice. And here's some more elastic. Yes. I like that. This is the one she already cut up. Yes. I like that. Now I gotta put it to good use. Make some albums. And then she said she destashed some of the beads that she just purchased, and she took whatever didn't fit in her container and put them all in here. So, ooh, I don't have a lot of these right here, and this one. Some of them I see I've already have. Like I had that purple and gold, and the black and whites, and that pearlescent. And I even had this one, the oranges and the greens. But there's some in here like the reds, and then these pastel colors. I did not have those, so that is awesome. More beads. Woohoo! Gonna have to start making stuff. And then the last part of the fabric, look at these beautiful colors. We've got the pinks. We've got these, I love all the florals. Look at that, tiny ones. Ooh, these are nice. This must have been like a set maybe. A quilter's companion set or something. But very cute. All these colors, love all of them. Ooh, even gray. Pretty. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That is so cute. Wow. That's very cool. Thank you so much, Luisa. Oh, and a blue version of that. That little tea house. I just saw it. There it is. See, there's the pink version. There's the blue. Very nice. Almost Maggie Holmes-ish fabrics. Very cute. Thank you, Luisa. I really appreciate all of this. This is a great Destash. Well worth the money, especially good grief. Even if it was just this. This and the cords would have been great. But you get fabric, and you get cordings, and you get charms, and you get Project Life cards. What? This is amazing. Thank you again, girl. And I hope you all are staying safe, washing hands, staying home, not necessary. Order online. It'll come to you. Just wipe it down before you get everything out, and you'll be good. So, thanks for watching. Please thumbs up this video, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.